Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your email address on Kohl's. If you don't have a Kohl's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website kohls.com. On this page, you will see an option for account. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a button that says Sign In. Click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Settings. On this page, you will see a section for About Me. Beside it is an Edit button. Click on Edit. Now, you will see your current email address. To continue, remove your current email address, then type the new email address you wish to use. Next, enter your password. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your email address on Kohl's. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.